Many vehicle owners remove the catalytic converter when it becomes damaged or clogged instead of replacing it due to its high cost or because they fear it may harm the engine if it becomes clogged without them knowing. But the question here is, what happens to the engine when the catalytic converter is removed? What happens to fuel consumption after removing it? What should we do if the check engine light comes on due to a catalytic converter fault? Is the catalytic converter necessary in a vehicle or not? All of this and more is what we will learn in today's video, so watch until the end so you do not miss this important information. To properly understand the effect of the catalytic converter, we must first understand its function in the vehicle. Simply put, the catalytic converter is designed to be installed in the exhaust system after the upstream oxygen sensor. Its job is to react with the byproducts of combustion coming from the engine cylinders and convert them into gases that are as environmentally friendly as possible, helping reduce air pollution and limiting harmful emissions that can affect human health. In short, this is the reason why the catalytic converter exists in a vehicle. What about the engine performance and fuel consumption after removing the catalytic converter? As for the engine, removing the catalytic converter has no direct effect on the engine itself. As we mentioned, it's designed to react with byproducts of combustion and convert them into less harmful gases, which has nothing to do with the engine's operation itself. As for fuel consumption, this is where many vehicle owners disagree. However, as we mentioned, the catalytic converter has no role in controlling the air-fuel mixture. The component responsible for that in the exhaust system is the upstream oxygen sensor only. What about the downstream oxygen sensor? The downstream oxygen sensor performs a completely different function from the upstream oxygen sensor. Both sensors analyze exhaust gases and send signals to the engine control module, ECM. However, the upstream oxygen sensor, located before the catalytic converter, analyzes exhaust gases to determine the air-fuel combustion ratio and provides this information to the ECM so it can adjust the fuel mixture accurately. The downstream oxygen sensor, located after the catalytic converter, analyzes exhaust gases to determine whether the catalytic converter is performing its job correctly and successfully converting harmful emissions into less harmful gases. It has absolutely no role in controlling fuel consumption. Its sole purpose is to monitor the performance and efficiency of the catalytic converter. What should we do if the check engine light comes on due to low catalytic converter efficiency? If the check engine light illuminates because of low catalytic converter efficiency, there are three possible scenarios. First possibility: the catalytic converter has actually lost efficiency due to partial clogging caused by carbon deposits and contamination. In this case, it may be cleaned properly using specialized cleaning products, allowing it to function again and turning off the check engine light. Second possibility: the catalytic converter has genuinely failed because the internal substrate has broken apart or melted. In this case, cleaning will not help, and replacing the catalytic converter is the best solution. Third possibility: the catalytic converter is completely healthy and has no issues at all. The actual problem may be the downstream oxygen sensor. In many cases, the sensor itself is faulty, but the diagnostic trouble code appears as a catalytic converter efficiency fault. Finally, is the catalytic converter necessary? After everything we discussed in today's video, we can conclude that the catalytic converter is not essential for the engine itself. However, it is extremely important for protecting the environment we live in and for protecting our health from very serious diseases caused by harmful exhaust emissions. Therefore, do not hesitate to replace the catalytic converter with a new one if it becomes damaged in your vehicle. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you can receive every new video. You were watching AutoFix Zone. See you in the next video.